Alright, how's everybody doing? It's part 2 of the last auction video that you probably watched yesterday or 2 days ago. Before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and watch the video. Give me a thumbs up. And I'll keep on calling it '88 Cutlass Supreme. Same goddamn thing, just about. So we got the same look to them. This is just the two-door. Yeah, this is a 96, 80,706 miles. I like these old cars, but I'm not really a fan of this particular model. I don't like how they came from, you know, this square body kind of, and then they did all this. I think it's just too much. But I remember these as a kid, and it's locked. But we'll look inside. It's just like the '88, same damn thing. So I don't want to hear it. Same damn thing, y'all. It's similar. So this is the SL model right here. HHR. I don't know what the fascination is with these HHRs, but people really love them. You got a little bit of this going on. I have to pull my hair up a little bit. It keep coming in my face. I got a dent right here on the front. I'm too serious. This is a 2006, 100,101 miles on it. 100 Dalmatians, 101 Dalmatians. Sunroof. Ew. Definitely chilly out here. This is open, so you can look inside. This is kind of like Chevy's competition to, you know, the PT Cruiser, to Chrysler. Pretty clean. Tan leather seats. Not my you know, my favorite. I prefer black leather seats. All right, y'all, so we're gonna go on the other side. So we're gonna move. Hang on. All right, y'all, so we're gonna check out the Infiniti QX56. They're gonna get out like they was gonna look, then they just opened their doors and didn't even get out. Okay, tow hitch right there. This is the big boy right here, the Infiniti SUVs right here. Is this one open? It is. Tan leather seats. This is cracked a little bit. Steering wheel changing color a little bit. The sunroof not open as much. You got the third row and all of that. You got the little light wood grain. Pretty daggone clean though, as far as the mats and stuff go. And I do love how they got the handle right here. Ooh, a little creakage on the door. Ooh, the door's creaking a little bit. I don't know what's up with this. The seat need to be all the way back. I don't know if it's broken or they just got it like that. So you got the third row seat right there. Ooh, I have to put some DW40 on that door. We ain't gonna look in the van. We've seen them before. The little 𝗱𝗊, nothing special. Ooh, shoot, they must have backed into like a pole or something right there. Damn. Woo. We got another Commander right here. I'm trying to keep an eye on my vehicle. We're just gonna go down. We're gonna go down the line. That's what we'll do. Oh, you guys, this is 2008, 190,830 miles on the Infiniti. All right, y'all, but the Infiniti has some scrapes on the hood. I don't know how that would happen. Got a lot of scratches and it's starting to fade. The top coat's starting to fade a little bit. But this is a 2008. Oh, what the hell? He scared me. 190,830 miles on it. And then we're gonna check out the Rogue. Boy, roll up on me like that. The black is eyes. Got the little Rogue right here. cloth interior. Is this open? Oh, this is locked. So I'm guessing these ones, you say he got his little sensor. So somebody must have came and got the, ooh, it's all smelling really bad on that drink. 107,263 miles. This is 2013. One owner, service done, new car trade. So they got the little Optima. I guess that's his little dealer tag he just slapped on there and he rolling out. One owner, all service done, new car trade. 163,604 miles on the Optima. So 2012. So I'm guessing some of these cars did sell because he came and picked that up. Like rolled up on me like that. That's in my video. Like cloth seats. So is that, y'all? And we're gonna go down some more. That's pretty cool. Side of view. So if these are sold, I'm still getting some content off y'all's cars. New car trade. One owner, ready to drive. All service done. It's a hybrid. Not a fan of Saturn really, but they are, you know, some good cars. 151,123 miles on it. It's a 2007. The truck is, damn, F-150 right up on it. Right up on it. So I don't know which ones sold and which ones didn't, because obviously I didn't come to the auction, but like a little gap. Door ain't closed all the way. The little seat covering. Somebody was a smoker. It's like some cigarette burns. They got the blue and black mats. Yeah, so right on gas, I'm sure. We got another Cherokee. Laredo. Some scrapes and dents in the back. That is, well, yeah, y'all. So this, I don't know if somebody did anything to this Cherokee extended exhaust, but Grand Cherokee Laredo. This has 2008. It's a 2008. Has 188,939 miles on it. So a little scrape up in the bumper. I'm thinking that this got a dent. I'm thinking the one that got the dollar signs on it. Yeah, this is sold. I'm thinking the ones that got the dollar signs on it mean it's sold, I guess so. Or the people have to still come pay for it. They owe money on it. We'll look at the F-150 and we're gonna swing the car around. Like they added this piece. They must have had like a cab thing on the back of this. This is 2009, 143,612 miles on it. Not bad looking. Not at all. So let's see if this is open. It is. Cloth interior. Sunglasses thing. This is pretty clean. What's up with the gap between the bed? Were they, was it bent or something? I don't know what's up with that. I can fit 6 people up in here. 4x4, damn. Dang. We'll look at the Sequoia. So that's a V8 drive. I do not like these though. I think they're so ugly. SR5. Cloth interior. It's basic. 3rd row seat. Pretty clean though. Seats folded down right here. Seats sit up pretty high in the back in these. So let's take a look at the front. Let's see. Not bad. Let's see what. This is a 2004, 202,372 miles on it. And we're gonna swing around. Oh, this is a flood car right here, you guys. 58,517 miles. It is a 2013. And this is a Sonata right here. Flood car. Huh. The gas tank is open. Does it not close? I guess that clip need to be fixed. If they pull this clip out, fix that clip, it'll stay closed. So you have to fix the gas door. They scraped it, hit it up on something right there. Scraped it. This is cloth interior. I don't know. We'll open the back doors and look in it. This is the flood car though. Oh wow. The hell is that on the back seat? That doesn't look good. Ew. What is that? I don't even want to know. It looks pretty gross. Pretty freaking disgusting. Alright, we're gonna come around and check out these ones. I don't know what that was, you guys, on the back seat over there. Didn't look good. Didn't look good at all. It looked pretty nasty. Pretty nasty. Alright, so we got an Equinox, an Ultima. Is it? I was gonna say, I know it ain't no cloth seats in here. 2010 Equinox, 150,384 miles on it. I got the two-tone leather seats. Look like the Oreo seats. I got a little Yoshi decal. That's so cute. I miss my Equinox. I had a charcoal gray one. I told y'all guys that before. This one is two-tone. I said two-tone leather. You got the little red stitching. Smells pretty good in here. Like they went and got it professionally cleaned or something. It don't have the screen like mine did, and mine was newer than this one, so the backs. Oh shit, but this one got something that mine didn't have. They got the TVs in the back. That is nice. You got the foot down TVs. Hey. That is pretty nice. Mine didn't have that. So that's the Equinox, you guys. I guess somebody bought this Ultima, so we ain't gonna mess with it. This is a 2015, 117,385 miles on it. Got the sunroof. We'll see if it was open just to show inside. So just to look inside. It's probably not open. No, it's locked. The ones that people buy, I guess they lock them.